Now I know what you've been thinking, dude, where in the world have you been? Well, the truth is I've been out working hard leveling up my life in Japan. And today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of my progress. So I got this apartment a few months ago, and I want to show you around, and we're going to be starting with the bathroom. So first, we're going to begin with my favorite place in the world, the toilet. Yeah boy, there she is. This thing right here has the latest and greatest in ass blasting technology. I'm telling you, we got the booty blaster, we got the bidet, we got the fast forward moving back and forth nozzle move tool thingy, and we also got the water pressure, we got the nozzle something, I can't really, nozzle position, we got the water temperature, we got the seat temperature, we got the anti-odor, we got the emergency stop button, and then we need this button for good reason, because like this thing right here, the water pressure that comes out of the nozzle is freaking insane. I'm talking about you will see God at max pressure. It is crazy. And on the side over here, pretty much almost every Japanese toilet has this, but we got two directions that we can flush. So down is for a light flush, and then the top right here is when you've had like a kraken that you just released and you need to get that taken care of. That's what this is for. So next, we actually have this awesome mirror here, right? And this is a really big one. It's the biggest mirror that I've ever had in my life, both in America and in Japan. And I quite like it because like while I'm using the toilet, you know, and taking a pee, I can make eye contact with myself and assert dominance. That's very valuable to me. I really like that. We have over here like an anti-fog button. We actually have this here, nice big boom. You know, like if you ever watched the Men in Black movies and they hit you with that boom, that's what this light does. I don't use it. It's pretty painful to look at. And then this mirror actually opens upward out, which I've never seen anywhere in Japan up to this point. And I can put my stuff in here. So on the left, I got most of my stuff, and on the right, a lot of that's my girlfriend's. She likes to leave her stuff here. And yeah, sink is, it's sink as fuck. Like there's no other way to describe it. Keep my toilet paper under there, and I got my towel rack. This right here is how we adjust the temperature for the water. So if we turn on the hot water, it doesn't come on by itself. We have to actually set the temperature and turn this on here. That is where I get my emergency provisions. So here I got my little poster. I quite like this. Printed it, laminated it myself. Here I got this thing. I'm not really sure what it does. And now we're actually going to be moving on to the shower. But before that, I got to get rid of this table that I randomly propped in my room, or in the bathroom here. All right, now here's where the magic happens, right? So we got our shower head here. We got all of these. I'm not sure what they're called, but they blast water out. It's like the human version of a car wash. You get blasted from all angles, and then you got this thing here, which it has a turbo mode. And turbo mode, it like pressure washes your entire body. Oh fuck, there's a wall here. I accidentally hit that. This right here, it pressure washes your entire body. And I mean it, I'm talking about your skin will come out red by the end of it. And there's also some right here, so while you're sitting down, you can get hit by these guys. And you can change the settings with this. Man, just imagine the life decisions that you have taken that led you to the moment where you're watching some random obese dude in Japan just sitting in his shower. Now my favorite part about this shower overall is its capsule shape. Like every time I come out, hold on, let me just show you real fast. Skadoosh! Like I feel like a freaking predator. Like the one in the sci-fi movies, you know, where they break out of the capsules, not like the one on Fox News. But yeah, it's just an awesome feeling overall. So with that said, we're actually gonna be moving on to the next part. So say goodbye to the bathroom. We're gonna be going over to the kitchen. But yeah, we have the kitchen here directly outside the bathroom, and don't wanna show off the main room yet. Got my table there. I just close it. Got that frost blasted door. Okay. So this is the kitchen. Here. So I got my sink. I got my double-sided, my two burner gas stove. I got this thing here that apparently is for cooking fish, but I never use it. And then I got my little gyoza here. So in Japan, you can get fake food. It looks like the real deal. It's a very popular thing here, and if you go to any restaurant, you'll see like on the outside. Fake food replicas of the real thing. I got my refrigerator here. I got my 2 things of rice, my rice cooker, and this is where I store my garbage.
Know your fucking place, trash.
Moving over to, this is actually the entrance here. Nice floor. And I got my my shoe closet. And then on the left, I put my umbrella and broom. Nothing too special here. Now the door, I like the door, but I'm not gonna show you the outside, and I'll explain later why. But here, this is where my laundry machine is. And I like to keep my seasonings and my chemicals in the same location. Oof. So yeah, that's my kitchen. It's actually bigger than most kitchens in apartments that you can get. If you want a bigger kitchen, you pretty much have to either move to a really rural area where you can get a really big apartment for dirt cheap, or you have to buy a house. Otherwise, you're gonna have like a sink that's half the size. You're not gonna have any that's apparently counter space, but it's literally nothing. And you'll have like a 1 burner if you're lucky. All right, now for the main event. Oh yeah, I got this carpet, by the way. Oh crap, foot reveal. My bad. All right, that's for my OnlyFans. Only they can see my feet. Right, are you ready? Boom! Yeah, so this is where I live. This here is where all the magic happens. So we actually walked past, I got my toaster oven and my other toaster oven that's slightly bigger and better. I got both of them for free. So who am I to say no? There's some weird stickers on it, but you know, free is free. And I tend to keep my bills here. Got my PC monitor box down there, and I got this bookshelf with my plushies up top here. I know my bookshelf is a little bit chaotic, but I promise you there is a rhythm, a method to the madness. Then I got my bed here. It's a queen size bed, nice and big. Now, I don't know if anybody remembers, but in my last apartment, I had a really tiny one, which I'm actually gonna show because I still have it. I literally couldn't fit anything bigger than a single size bed. And so, yeah, I'm really moving on up here. I got this big closet, which inside, let's take a look. I got my shirts, I got my suits, and then I got my suitcases and boxes. I got more boxes down here. And then on the left, I got this big ass blanket. It's super thick. It's used for the winter time to keep nice and warm. Yeah, I love my bed. All right. Then I got my sofa. This is a really nice sofa. I really like the sofa. It's very sofa. Like, what's really cool about it is it has a USB port on the side, and it also reclines out. So you can totally just chill. Bitchin'. All right, shall we continue the tour? So now I have my station here where I do a lot of my work. So I got my monitor, I got my double speakers, I got my microphone, iPad over there, keyboard and mouse. My gaming desktop, I turn it on maybe once a month. I actually do most of my work on my MacBook Air. Both productivity, video editing, programming, you name it. And yeah, I got my clothes rack here, so I'm not sure if you realize, but I only had a washing machine, and most apartments don't have dryers. If you want a dryer, you have to pretty much get a house or go to a coin laundromat. And so most people in Japan, they hang their clothes. And usually during the summertime, we put it out in the balcony. And so it's just about time for me to move that out. I got my gaming esports chair where I do my sitting here. And here's my last bed. I currently use it as a standing desk. So this is actually my work laptop. I work at home. I am now an IT instructor. I teach the cloud. So they sent me a laptop. They let me work at home. And yeah, life is good. Life is really good. You know, big salary increase, bigger apartment, better life, better quality of life, better food, more freedom. But yeah, and last is the balcony, which unfortunately I can't show And then all you need to know is it's pretty big. It's really big. Like you can do yoga or something. I don't really do moving. I can't show you guys, unfortunately, because I live in one of the biggest, most recognizable locations in Osaka. And if I go out there, somebody will immediately see a landmark and know exactly where I am. So unfortunately, I cannot show you the balcony for my personal security. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is my apartment. Let me know what you guys think. It costs about the equivalent of $800 a month. So it's really nice. It's definitely a big upgrade from my last place, which was $400 a month. And it was about less than half the size of my current place. So it's really huge. I'm pretty happy with it. Perfect for one person. Unfortunately, I won't be living here for much longer, most likely. I'll probably be here for about another year. Because, well, I might be getting married. Yeah. So I will have to get a new place with the future wife. So yeah, lots of huge, amazing things in life have been coming my way. A lot of it has been because of the hard work, getting those IT certifications, grinding my skills to be able to do a career switch. And that's why I haven't been making videos. It's just because I've been grinding so hard to improve my overall quality of life. And yeah, a lot's happened along the way. I've been very lucky. You know, I was able to get a good paying job. I was able to get this wonderful place. I met a wonderful woman who was with me back when I was broke, back when I was a nobody. And now, you know, she's still by my side a year later. So yeah, life's great. That's all I gotta say. And I want to thank everybody for watching, and hopefully, I'm not gonna make any promises. I'm probably not gonna continue making the videos very often, but I am gonna put them out from time to time, and I hope that everybody can enjoy. I hope I can make others laugh. And yeah, I look forward to seeing your comments on this place. Let me know what you think, and I will see you sooner or later. All right? Take care.